everyone, welcome back to my channel. So now we are going to move forward with section B problem 1. So this section is going to be a bit different than the previous section since here we are going to define global variables. So as you can see in this problem, they have told us to define global variables A and B, and then we need to create this model, and after that we'll need to evaluate the mass. But the part B of this problem says that we have to update the global variables, which means it will update the entire sketch and the model automatically, and then we have to reevaluate the mass. So let's see how we can solve this problem. I'll open SolidWorks. So the first thing that they have told is unit system should be in MMGS. So the unit system is in MMGS. Decimal places should be 2. So we can go to Tools, Options, Document Properties, Units, and the decimal places are up to 2. Okay. We'll go to Materials, Edit Material. So the material type is copper alloy, and under that we need brass. Just check whether the density mentioned in the PDF and the one given in this chart is matching. So 8500 kg per meter cube. So apply and close. Okay. Now we will define the global variables. So go to Tools, Equations, and define global variable A as 1.5 and B as 109 and OK. Now let's start sketching. Go to the front plane and sketch. I will choose a center rectangle. Give dimensions. So this is going to be B, and this is going to be 31. Then choose center point arc and choose this vertex as the center and draw an arc from this edge to this edge. Give dimensions. So this is of 9 mm. The radius of this arc is 9 mm. Now I want to mirror this entity on all the 4 vertices. So I'll go to mirror entities. I'll select this. But before that, I'll need to draw a center line, a horizontal and a vertical one. So I'll draw this. Then I'll go to mirror entities, select this entity, and I'll mirror about this center line, the vertical center line. Again, go to mirror entities, choose both these entities and mirror about horizontal center line. Okay. Now trim the unwanted edges. I don't want these edges. Okay. Now choose fillet option and enter 3.75 here and apply fillet to all the 8 endpoints. Okay. Now our sketch is not fully defined, so for that I'll just give some extra dimensions. I will not change anything, but I'll just provide extra dimensions to make our sketch fully defined. So yes, that's it. So you can see that our sketch is outlined in black color, so it is fully defined now. Now go to features and extrude. So I'm extruding this part from the mid plane, keeping mid plane condition here, and choose A into 2 and OK. Now you will ask why this color? So this color is because of brass. We have applied brass material. That's why we got this color. Okay. Now we'll go to features and shell option. Now here, since the overall thickness of this shell is going to be, as you can see here, it is mentioned A all around. So I'm going to give A as the thickness, overall thickness, and choose this face. I'm sorry, let's go to this and choose this face. Okay, that's it. I want to create these two circular extrusions on both the sides. Okay, you can see here it is, the extrusions are on both the sides. So let's make that. So I'll select this face and I'll start sketching. Select a circle and give dimensions to this circle. So the dimension of this circle is equal to 5 plus A into 2. And the distance from this edge to the center of the circle should be 9. Also, give the relation between the origin and the circle, center of the circle, give a horizontal relation. And I'll again draw a center line so that there is no need for me to repeat the same procedure again. So I'll go to mirror entities, mirror this entity about this, and I'm good to go. Now go to features, choose blind, and give A into 0.5. As you can see here, it is extruded with A into zero point 0.5. Similarly, and OK. Now I want the same on the other side as well. So I'll go here, sketch. Now I'll convert entities. I'll go to the sketch and I'll convert the circles from the previous sketch. So these two circles are showing up. So there's no need for me to draw separate circles here. I'll go to features, boss extrude, and again 0.5. That's it. Now I want circular holes on both these circles. So I'll go here, I'll sketch, I'll draw a circle, a concentric circle, give dimensions as 5. Okay, go to features, extruded cut, and I'll give condition as through all. Now I want similar extruded cut on the circle as well. So I'll select right plane, go to mirror and faces or features to mirror. I'll select cut extrude and it's done. So now if you go to front plane and normal, you will see that your view is matching with the front view given in the PDF. Also, now I want to see this section view, whether our section view is matching theirs or not. So I'll select top plane and section view. So I'll just go to normal, say The hatchings shown in the drawing here are nothing but it is nothing but the solid portion, and these are the holes, and this is the hollow portion. Now let's give isometric view. Now go to evaluate mass properties, and you will see that the mass is 44.73 grams, which is matching with the answer given here. Now we have to move forward with part B of this problem. Now here's a little mistake here. A is given as 3.5 and B is equal to 82. So this update in the global variables is not giving us this answer. So we are going to modify these global variables in such a way that the answer comes closer to this solution. So let's go here in equations. Now the equations that you had defined are showing up here. Right click, go to manage equations. Now here I'll give A as 1.25 and B as 118.5. Maybe let's try with this. Now our sketch is automatically modified. Let's go to evaluate mass properties. 38.38. This is 37.56 grams. Okay, so our answer is coming a little closer to this value, but here's a little mistake that you should note. So our problem is solved. So for more such videos, keep following. Thank you so much.